From the moment the Lexus brand made its debut at the North American International Auto Show in Detroit 29 years ago, the LS sedan has been the division's flagship. But the luxury segment, just like the rest of the automobile market, increasingly is turning away from sedans and toward crossovers. So Lexus is testing the waters for what it dubs a new flagship luxury crossover, with the debut of the LF1 Limitless concept at this year's Detroit Auto Show. What does a range-topping Lexus crossover look like? A lot like an Infiniti QX70, as it turns out. The proportions certainly mirrored those of the crossover originally known as the FX, probably because, like the Infiniti, the Lexus uses a rear-drive architecture that allows for a long hood, a generous dash-to-axle ratio, and short front overhang. Well, the company mentions the concept's rear drive roots. As for the engine, evidently that's where the word limitless comes in. Lexus shrugs and says it could have fuel cell, hybrid, plug-in hybrid, gasoline, or even all-electric power. Size-wise, the LF1 is considerably larger than the now discontinued mid-size Infiniti. 3.5 inches longer in wheelbase, 6.1 inches longer overall, more than 2 inches wider, and nearly 2 inches lower. The concept's flanks are smooth, with surfacing that is less busy than we've seen on production Lexus models lately. Up front, however, the spindle grille is taken to an even greater extreme. The centrally mounted Lexus logo appears to be exerting gravitational pull on all the fascia elements surrounding it, creating a cartoonish, painful-looking grimace. One can only hope it will be toned down for production. The other exterior oddity is the rear spoiler, which has a large gap in the center. In between, the liftgate glass appears to wrap up onto the roof. More conventionally for a concept, at least, the LF1 also features flush door handles, which reveal a Lexus logo when they pop out, and rides on 22-inch wheels. The LF1 is just a hair longer than the new 3-row Lexus RX 350L, but it has only 4 seats inside.